everyone, welcome to the next session on MATLAB Basics. In this session, we will discuss about the continue statement, which is the second loop control statement of MATLAB. The continue statement is used for passing control to next iteration of for or while loop. The continue statement in MATLAB works somewhat like the break statement. Instead of forcing termination, however, continue forces the next iteration of the loop to take place, skipping any code in between. This is the flow diagram of the continue statement. Say some conditional code is given. It will check the condition. If it is true, it will go back to the conditional code. If not, it will come out of the loop. But if the continue statement is used in between, then this will continue till this conditional code doesn't becomes completely false. I'll explain it with the help of this example. A is suppose 9, while A is less than 20. So this is that expression we were talking about, or the condition. So 9 is less than 20. So there should be an increment by 1. A now becomes 10. If A is equal to 15, which it is not, then it should continue. So we can just skip this portion right now. We can go to printf and the value will be printed. So the first value is 10. Next, it will go back to the while loop. 10 is less than 20. Value is incremented to 11. It will skip the iteration and it will come here and print the value 11. Next, it will print 12, not equal. It will print the value. Then it will increment the value to 13. It will print the value. It will increment to 14. Not equal. Print the value. Next increment is 15. Here A is equal to 15. Then this continue statement gets activated and again the value is printed as 15. It will go back over here. A is incremented to 16. Now since it is not required to be equal anymore, this loop will continue and it will keep on printing value as 16, 17, 18, 19 up to A is less than 20. We will copy this and save it in MATLAB. I'll save the code in a new script. Let's save it as A7. Now when I run A7, you can check the result. It has gone up to A is 20 because over here when A was 19, it got incremented to 20. So the last value printed over here is 20. So continue helps in continuing the statements even further, and had this been break, this would have stopped somewhere else. Now suppose if I write here break, just see what happens to the code. We'll run A7 again. You can see it is only up to 14. So as A becomes equal to 15, this loop is going to stop. So that's how you're going to use the break and the continue statement. So this example clearly tells you how to use the continue command, and also if you require, you can use the break command. So with this, I end the session. If you have any doubt, please write to me in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell icon for latest video updates. See you in the next session. Thank you.